So I start with a piece of fabric that is 8 by 16 inches, and I'm going to turn under the edge that measures 8 inches. I'm going to turn it under 1/4 of an inch, and then again 1/4 of an inch, and hem it so that we have a finished hem. And then I'm going to line those two finished edges up, and I'm going to measure 1.5 inches in, and I'm going to pin that, and I will sew right there along that edge on each side. And so that is what's going to make your pocket for your filter. Then I'm going to open this up, and I'm going to press these open with my fingers, and I'm going to line it so that this is right here at the edge of the fabric. Press it out, and this will be on the inside of the face mask. That's where our filter will go. So then we're going to insert our elastic very carefully on the inside. I'm going to bring it all the way to this crease and pin it, and then I'm going to make sure the elastic is not twisted and come to the other edge on the inside and pin it, and then I'm going to sew along that edge on the 1/2 inch mark for the seam allowance. I'm going to do that on both sides, and then I'm going to turn it inside out using my little pocket here. Here's one that I finished. So I'll turn it inside out through that opening, and there's my elastic. Then I can give it a good press. This will be the inside, the bottom inside of the mask is where the pocket will be. And after I press it, then I can add my pleats, and then I will stitch 1/4 inch seam allowance on the outside of each edge, holding those pleats in place, and then it's ready. And the pocket, you can then put in a HEPA filter or a non-woven fabric such as a shop cloth or a paper towel or a dried out baby wipe.